One of the most amazing things you can see at the museum are these giant skeletons. Have you seen a similar shaped animal anywhere in Ireland before? You may have seen deer, such as the red deer in Killarney National Park in County Kerry, or the fallow deer in the Phoenix Park in Dublin. These are the fossil skeletons of another type of deer that also used to live right here in Ireland, the giant Irish deer. These amazing animals roamed the grasslands of Ireland over 10,000 years ago. Unfortunately, we can't see them today because they are extinct. So, how do we know that they lived here in the past? We know this because their fossil skeletons were found under the bogs in Ireland. Scientists think that these giant Irish deer went extinct even before humans arrived in Ireland, and some think that they went extinct as a result of natural climate change. There was a long period of cold in Ireland about 10,000 years ago, which lasted for 500 years. During this time, Ireland was covered in a blanket of ice and snow. Plants disappeared, and the deer could no longer find food to survive, so they eventually went extinct.